Good morning. I thought I would do a quick video here. Just start banging off a couple of these technical things on TradingView for us here. Um, some of it's just the familiarity with the software, but the other day we were talking about RSI, and the way that I would use it is it's kind of like these momentum things and the MACD. They kind of signal the shifts and turns, and the bigger the bigger time. Excuse me, the bigger time frames give you a more clear indication for investing patterns, so when we're talking a decade here, you can kind of see the dip at the bottom here on this momentum. It wasn't quite the bottom, but overall that's kind of the bottom of the cup here overall, and vice versa, like the top of these longer momentum trends. You can kind of see when it starts shifting, and that's why I like these momentum things, especially on the longer time frames. And you can see the MACD. Some people use these crossovers, so right there, you could say, yeah, same idea. Time to get out. It's the signal. It's the end. And some people would have said there's the signal that it's begun, and it was true, but it was just kind of a fake out there. And then yeah, we have it here again. We're having that crossover, and now you could say people might ride this until we see this cross back over here once more. And the RSI, it's kind of showing times when it's overbought. So when it's up high here, I can't remember the specific numbers, but you can see this little highlighted range. So when it's above here, you would consider that it's overbought. So you'd be assuming that it should be rolling over somewhat around this time. So you could look at this indicator and see it's much more aligned with the actual rollover, at least on a monthly sense. And when you start seeing like levels like this, you can definitely see like great opportunities to buy Bitcoin, right? I mean, right at these low levels here around the 40 RSI on a monthly time frame, really good entry point. So that's the way I've been looking at the RSI, especially on a longer time frame. I mean, a lot of these cryptos won't have the data to go back that far, but some will. I mean, Ethereum, you could say that during this flattening period right here in this RSI looked like a decent time to be getting in there, like overall, especially for long-term investments. So let's just quickly look at something else to see if it's applicable to, let's say, the gold and silver stuff. That's Silvercrest Metals. Let's make it a little bigger so I can see what the heck the charts are. So yeah, let's just take gold here and look at it on a monthly time frame, and same idea. Like in these periods where the RSI is pretty low in here, like it's a pretty like straightforward confirmation. Hey man, time to buy some of this shit right here. Like, so that's why it's tough to buy at this little peak here in some of these things, especially in the long term. You can see that it's, like, I mean, it could like try to pump back a little bit, but you got to know, like in these bull runs, it looks like it's going to pump back, and then it just pumps back, and then it just keeps on going, right? It just kind of extends upwards. So knowing that we got above here, it's very possible that it might go on. But either way, just a quick little tidbit there. And let's see if we can just, holy shit, you got some stuff in here now. Let's see if I can pull up a big chart. S&P. Same idea. Like look at like with these bigger dips right here. Like you can see it's extremely correlated on these longer time frames of just like, shit man, time to buy some of the stuff. So that's where I'm going through there with the RSI. You can definitely see like anything below here that's a solid stock. I mean, that's the time to get in there, man. Anyway, have a good day, bro.